My girl's dog is so tiny. Lola. She's so tiny. Stop. Like she's a little crazy animal. Better bring better. What are you doing? Bro, that tickles. Bro. I'm gonna pick you up. Ow! Her claws are sharp. You're like a little baby, but smaller. He's nibbling on my ear. She nibbled me in the ear.
She gives me big kisses, but she nibbles and it bites my ear sometimes.
Yeah.
Well, okay. These are about done. Get back. You can't go out.
Okay.
Here, come on, honey. I'll get it back in there. Lola. Yeah.
Lola, come.
She'll probably let you pick her up or pull her into the house. I'm going to put her go in the house.
Okay.
Come on, Lola. Come on, Lola. Now you put her down and we'll shut the door.
Okay.
Just put her over there and I'll try to catch her. Right down there. Yeah, come, okay, Trip, come on out.
Come here.
All right, come on out. Get back. Lola? No, you get back. Watch where you're going. She's right there.